Mačevo Milic, we are very grateful. Thank you very much. Really, it's honest friendship. We are appreciating very much everything what you do here together with us.
Thank you very much. We stay here how long as you need us. We have the next time with the European Union to check this with our Minister of Austria. And so we stay here when you need us. We help you. This is every time for us is this the highest. We help together, not only by soccer, football in the European, but also here.
Very,
Thank you very
much.
Not
only playing football, but also working and acting.
This is sport and this is reality. Yeah.
I agree.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Take a photo from
Of course,
of course. We have a little problem with the
Have you here?
Иначе и министерката на
Yeah.
Maybe some pictures together.
Chief of Styria, we work together, Austrian company for the firefighters. Yeah. But all our firefighters are volunteer, yeah? Not professional.
That's volunteers.
Yeah, all volunteers.
Thanks a lot.
At home,
Thank you for everything. Thank you very much.
At home in their jobs, they booked holidays for this. They go, give me free, my chief. And they come to you to help.
Bravo.
We
Great
appreciate
respect.
very
Great
much. We
respect.
appreciate. Thank you very
Really,
We have a little
citizens
promise-
was
a little-
terrifying. What's happened? They're afraid very much for losing lives, houses. Now it's more stable.
You see our base? And then we have
Yes, yes, I saw.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
find the
We have
place.
a good base of operation here with all the things. We are all for you. We have the kitchen, we have also the showers, we have the toilets, we have everything with all the cooling containers and so.
We can learn a lot from it. We are developing country.
A little problem we have with the helicopters. We need a little bit more in Austria. By these fires we have I think so 5 or 6, and so is a problem. Yesterday he told us we come 3 today, but all these 3 come to Greek, and we have only one. And one is a little bit. Yeah, too little, too small. Yeah. So I think we must make an invitation.
Athena is terrible also in Greece. There was few industrial area under fire completely.
Yeah, okay.
I lose one good friend of mine, the president of Athena Chamber of Commerce.
Okay.
He lose life directly in his warehouse, the storages. The whole southeastern Europe is under fire. Turkey, they have 120 fires.
Turkey, Albania, North
Bulgaria
Macedonia,
also.
Greek, Spain. We have also a little in France. So, no, that's the next time with the climate. I think this is a problem in the next years.
It's climate change.
More hot, more hot, more hot.
These degrees, there was 45, 46 degrees 2 days ago.
Yeah, this is.
Thank you very much once again.
It's a
Thank
pleasure
you for
for us.
everything.
Pleasure
We
for us.
appreciate very much. I will contact
Thank you very much.
Prime Minister Kurz. I'm good friend with him.
Okay.
I was last time in opera in ballet with him. He made great honor for us. I will contact him directly and I will tell him everything here how you help us.
Okay. Thank you also. Good luck.